गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। जय माँ, जय माँ। सबको जय माँ। आज का क्वेश्चन, वाओ, बहुत लंबा क्वेश्चन है। मैंने पूरा लिखा है थंबनेल में बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू गिव अ बैकग्राउंड टू एवरीबडी। नो, किसी ने मुझे बोला कि लंबा लंबा प्रश्न हो तो थंबनेल में जस्ट कट इट शॉर्ट एंड थोड़ा सा लिखो। थोड़ा सा लिखने में क्या होता है दैट दे आगे पीछे क्या है, व्हाट इज द रेलेवेंस एंड व्हाट इज द कनेक्शन बिटवीन द क्वेश्चन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीबडी टू नो कि मैं किस चीज के बारे में बोल रही हूँ। एंड दैट्स व्हाई सी आई एम राइटिंग एवरीथिंग इन द थंबनेल, इफ यू कैन सी what I'm showing you. It's quite a long thing, but that's how it is, so I'm going to read the whole thing. It's again Rakhi Mahajan 5384 is the username. She says, Jai Ma, Ma, please suggest how to do Ma Puja. I don't have any guru, but within 1 month, that is the month of June she's talking about, she watched my videos, watched your videos, each interview, read books on Anandmay. I got so attracted to her, like she is my own mother. I'm a worshipper of Ma Durga, and it's like Ma Durga aisi dikhti hai. Each and every word Ma is saying, there is no doubt in my mind that it is all correct. No living supreme soul has left such an impression on my soul like her. And after hearing her, my soul is saying, whatever Ma says, I have to follow, just follow. Baki Ma jane. Please give some suggestion. How can I worship Ma? Please guide, please. Jai Ma. राखी, तुमको इतनी श्रद्धा है, you are a worshipper of Ma Durga. You think Ma Durga and Ma is separate? No, it's not. All gods and goddesses have been created by Ma. माँ के शरीर से सब कोई उत्पन्न हुए, शरीर में वापस लीन हो गए. We are talking about that. We are talking about Ma. So Ma Durga and Ma are not separate. I'll give you one example. I have talked about this in the past also. I think in one of my videos I have mentioned, but I'm repeating that incident. एक बार आश्रम में क्या हुआ? There was a Maharani who, when Maharanis come and they, come to the, you immediately know that they are from the royal family because they have this flair about them, वो भले कुछ ना करे, but the way they walk, the way they get down from the car, the way they conduct themselves, you know immediately that this is from the royal family. So there was this particular Maharani who had heard about Anandmayi Ma, and she wanted to visit her and do her darshan. She didn't know anything else about her, but that she was somebody. So I don't remember the ashram and I don't remember where exactly, okay? So she arrived and in her limousine, big car and everything with all this flair. The driver opened the door and the car came right in front of Ma's kutia where Ma was residing at that time in some ashram. So the driver opened the door, she got down with this flair about her, and there were all these sadhikas sitting on the steps of the kutia. वो ऐसे ही बैठे थे. So she went up to them and she says, Ma Anandmayi kahan hai, So I have come to visit her, kind of thing. So these girls just pointed like this and said, yeah, matlab it was in the kutia and they were sitting on the steps. So they just said, yeah. So she said, can I go and visit, can I go and do her darshan? So they just did this, So she walked in. And in about a few seconds, she came running out, sweating from head to toe. She was drenched like as if किसी ने नहला दिया, पानी भर भर के नहला दिया, बाल्टी में भर के उसको नहला दिया. So she was sweating away and panting and puffing, and she came out all hadbad. And she ran to her car. The driver quickly opened the door. She sat in the car and the car went away. Now these girls were sitting and they knew because every day माँ के साथ कुछ न कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती थी, आश्रम में. जहाँ भी माँ हो कुछ न कुछ तो होता ही था. Ma would never talk about it. She would never tell you कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं. So now these girls were very inquisitive. They said, अरे कुछ तो हुआ and we need to know कि आज क्या हुआ. किसको पूछे? She had gone away. Now comes the next day. So she came again. Her whole demeanor was totally different. That whole royal family thing wasn't there at all. She was again today Ganti. So that royal family, thing wasn't there. That attitude. I won't say attitude, but that's the way they are. So she comes, and the driver opens the dicky, and all fruit baskets, flowers, suka meva, all kinds of dry fruits, everything comes out basket full, one by one. And again the girls are sitting there, and she says, "Maa ko milna hai." She was, the whole thing was totally different. And she said, "Ye sab tokre andar bhejne hain." So the girls said, they stopped her and they said, "First you have to tell us what happened yesterday, only then we'll let you go inside." Now was the chance, so they asked. So she says, मैं क्या बताऊं, कल जब दरवाजा खोल के मैं अंदर गई तो माँ आनंदमयी was sitting on a lion, and she was माँ दुर्गा. दशभुजा, she was sitting on this lion, and she says, मैं तो देख के मेरे जो पहले दर्शन हुए, probably she was माँ दुर्गा devotee like you are, Raki. And that's why I'm narrating this to you. कि she was sitting in her glory as माँ दुर्गा. तो मैं तो ऐसी हड़बड़ा गई, and उस वक्त से I am absolutely, मैं झुक गई हूँ. From that day onwards, this lady, this royal family lady, she was a माँ devotee right till the end, So obviously, so if you're saying you're a माँ दुर्गा devotee, it's not different from माँ at all. तो तुम माँ दुर्गा तो वर्शिप करती हो ना, पूजा करती हो ना, बस वही पूजा है. वहाँ ने हमेशा बोला है, तुम कहीं भी किसी देश में काल में, एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स मुझे याद नहीं है, पर किसी भी देश में काल में, किसी भी रूप में, किसी भी फॉर्म में आप अपने इष्ट को पूजा करते हो, तो इतने दूर दूर समुंदर पार भी जाके अगर आप पूजा करते हो, तो वो सारी पूजा आके इसी शरीर से टकराती है, और मुझे पता है कि आप पूजा कर रहे हैं. Everything, everybody, no matter you're a foreigner, you're abroad, you're there, किसी भी देश में, किसी भी काल में, जहाँ किसी की भी पूजा आप करते हो या याद करते हो, सभी चीजें आके इसी शरीर से टकराती है. Means what? She's everything. Whoever your ishta is, whoever you are praying to, it all reaches माँ and माँ आनंदमयी only. So कई बार लोग कहते हैं ना, मैं तो माँ दुर्गा की भक्त हूँ, जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं, वैसे कोई बोलेगा मैं गणपति का भक्त हूँ, मैं फलाना हूँ, मैं जो भी हूँ, जो भी इष्ट है उनके, वो सारी पूजा माँ को ही जाती है. So you are at the source of everything. You are at the root cause of everything. तो माँ की पूजा कैसे करोगे? दिल से करो, मन से करो, तन से करो, धन से करो, टोटल डिवोशन से करो, जैसे तुम माँ दुर्गा की पूजा करती हो. एंड तुमने बोला ना कि माँ दुर्गा को देख के मुझे लगा माँ ऐसी ही दिखती है. बिल्कुल सही. जो भी रूप है, जो भी फॉर्म है, जो भी तुम देखती हो, सब कुछ माँ है. तो माँ को कैसे पूजा करोगे? दिल से करो. जो तुम माँ दुर्गा को करती हो वैसे ही करो, वो माँ को ही पहुँचता है. माँ दुर्गा को अगर सामने बिठाए तो माँ की फोटो भी रख दो, सब कुछ ठीक है. So worship her with your heart and soul. There is no method of worshipping. If you're not a Dikshit, you don't have a guru, how does it matter? माँ is everything. गुरु क्या करते हैं? जो आचार्य गुरु की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, they are pointing towards the divine, right? They're guiding you to go towards the divine. जब हम डिवाइन के पास ही आ गए तो फिर आगे क्या? जब माँ के पास ही आ गए, माँ ही अपॉइंट करती है ना आचार्य गुरु. जब हम माँ को ही पकड़ लिया हमने, तो फिर आगे क्या? तो वही करो. With total devotion, total love, affection that you have towards Ma Durga, that is Ma Anandmayi. So that's all for today. Jai Ma, and I hope to see you next time.